Ever wondered how our ancestors had long, strong and healthy locks? Their secret? Homemade herbal oils. Today, I'm going to bring back this forgotten and ancient tradition that will intensively care for your hair like no other fancy product or DIY. Type herbal in the comments below and we'll send you a list of the best herbal hair oil products. A blinding shine from the hair is a dream come true for all the women out there. This hibiscus concoction is going to help you achieve exactly that. It is an excellent conditioner that is not only going to nourish your hair but soften the very texture, strengthen it and even help with premature graying. To make your very own all-rounder hibiscus hair oil, you'll need equal amounts of hibiscus flowers and leaves. Heat coconut oil for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once hot, reduce the flames and then add the flowers and leaves. Add little by little. Cook it slowly for at least about 10 to 20 minutes so the secretions can infuse. Let it cool and strain. You can apply this overnight all throughout your roots and strands. Tired of using products after products but your hair fall just doesn't seem to stop? This hair oil concoction is definitely never letting you down. Add equal amounts of almond and castor oil and then heat. Now add a coarsely grinded mix of curry leaves, hibiscus flowers, methi seeds, onion seeds and sliced amla. These powerful ingredients come together to speed up the hair growth process and provide your shaft with all the vital nutrients. Heat this on low flame till you see the color of the oil change and then strain. How can one ever go wrong with such a powerful concoction? Thick, long or voluminous hair, you name it, this does it. The next concoction is amazing both for your scalp and hair. It's also something that I turn to every 2 weeks when I feel my hair needs a boost of nourishment. For the oils, I like to use olive oil. Rosemary has the ability to boost cell regeneration. Peppermint increases blood circulation. And lavender has healthy antiseptic quality, which is perfect for an itchy and inflamed scalp. I infuse the three using the double boiler technique for about half an hour and then store it for a week before straining and using it. Apply this magic portion overnight to watch your hair grow and shine. What I personally love about herb-infused oils is that the ways to create effective remedies are endless. Passed down by my grandmother who made this concoction herself, takes about 4 to 6 weeks to infuse but tops all hair oil charts. This luxurious mix includes dried rose petals, onion seeds, fenugreek seeds, dried curry leaves and shikakai, which is mixed with olive oil. It's then left to infuse for about 4 to 6 weeks in the sun in the day, so the high temperature can bring together the properties of these hair-loving ingredients. Strain it out and use it. The benefits are absolutely endless and can give even the most damaged of hair a revival. Hair concerns might be a never-ending nightmare, but with some patience and these amazing 4 herbal hair oils, we promise you bad hair days will become a thing of the past. Let us know in the comments below which of these recipes you can't wait to try out. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.